What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to make $10,000 within the foreign exchange market. It's very simple, very straightforward, and I'm going to be teaching you the secret sauce, the things that I use in order to make $10,000 a month from the foreign exchange market. With that being said, we're going to get into a quick commercial break, then we're going to get into the intro, then we're going to get into the video. If you are not subscribed to this channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of the family. Also, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's get into it. What's going on, guys? Hope you all are doing good. We are now on the charts. Hope you guys enjoyed that commercial and intro. But let's discuss how you all can make $10,000 within the market. So, hope you guys have your pen and pad handy. We have a couple of things that we need first, all right? So, what you're gonna need first is you're going to need a solid strategy, all right? You're going to have to understand, when is it time for me to enter the market? When is it time for me to exit the market? What do I need to look for? You're going to need to understand and have a solid strategy that you're going to be using within the market. That's what's going to be first, right? Next, you're going to need to understand what type of trader you're going to be, right? Whether you're going to be a swing trader, whether you're going to be a day trader. It just depends, right? Now let's talk about some pros and cons of swing versus day trading, right? So swing trading, as you guys know, is holding trades for a long period of time, right? It's for those individuals who have 3 months on their hands, 6 months on their hands, who just want to get into the market, hold a position, and allow it to hit higher time frame targets, right? But you also have day trading. Now, why would you want to be a day trader? Well, first, as you guys can see from this morning, those of you who traded live with me during London, we were able to make $7,559 within the market of day trading gold. Okay. When you're day trading, you're going to see that money a lot faster, right? You're going to be able to withdraw it from your account. You're going to be able to make other investments with it. You're not going to have to sit on your hands and wait for higher time frame targets to be hit necessarily. Or what you can do, which most of my students do, they day trade and then they'll hold a small piece of volume on that position and then they'll allow it to hit higher time frame targets. So it's completely up to you what type of trader you want to be. However, day trading is really what's going to allow you all to produce those results on a daily basis, okay? Once you have a solid strategy and you understand whether or not you're going to be a swings trader or a day trader, next you're going to need to have a funded account. Okay, so let's break down what is a funded account. A funded account is for those traders out there who don't want to use their own capital. If you're someone out there and you don't want to use your capital when it comes to trading, you want to use other people's money, you say, I have a solid strategy, I want to be a day trader, what am I going to do about my account balance? For those of you who have that question, we produce funded traders here at Mac Trading Academy. But those of you who joined the Day Trading Masterclass, I am going to show you over a 3-day period how to become a funded trader, right? So for those of you who don't have $100,000 in your account, for those of you who don't have $25,000 within your account, for those of you who don't have $50,000 within your account, that is completely okay. I'm going to show you how you can become a $25,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 funded trader simply by applying my solid strategy within day trading in order to become funded, all right? So now that we understand we need a solid strategy, right? We need some type of way of actually taking trades, right? Once you have the solid strategy, so we're going to put an X by this, then you're going to need to figure out swing trader versus day trading, right? Now, I love day trading, as you guys know, right? And most of the breakdowns that we produce here on the channel, which you guys love, are day trading breakdowns, right? Most of you guys are able to hop on the live trading sessions with me, right? And you guys are able to watch me trade the markets live, make money whether the market is going up or down. It's a fantastic time. I know you guys enjoy it, right? And then funded account, and let's say we're going with a $100,000 funded account, which I am going to be teaching you all how to do. Now, just as an added bonus, okay, those of you that join the Day Trading Masterclass, I am going to choose one lucky winner and I am going to give you a funded account. And you will be handed a brand new funded account ready to go. All right, we're going to do that as a little giveaway for those of you who join the Day Trading Masterclass. All right, but we haven't said too much about it yet. we're going to keep it on wraps. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. So once you have all of that, once you have your solid strategy, once you understand that you want to be a day trader, and once you have funded account access, we make it very, very simple and straightforward how to actually take advantage of these trades. So if we're looking at the H1 time frame, right, you guys can see that this is already marked up. This was a trade that my students were able to take advantage of earlier this week simply by just being a part of the day trading community, right? Those of you who do join, right, the day trading masterclass, we're going to also give you guys a little bit of access to my live trading experience, all right? So if you're someone who wants to live trade with me, watch me apply this information to the live markets. The day trading masterclass is going to be for you, as well as you could be the individual that ends up winning the funded account. All right, so let's get into it, guys. So within this region here, all right, this is based off of a higher time frame than just the H1, but we can see the H1 trades into this region here, okay? And then we can see we have a liquidity sweep here. All right, and remember, you always want to trade opposite of liquidity sweep. And then we can see that price pushes to the upside and breaks this supply resting here, giving us a flip opportunity. So those of you within the mentorship program or part of the trading community, all right, then you guys were already able to take advantage of this trade. But for everyone who is not, I'm going to be breaking down this trade to you guys, showing you guys what you could have produced with a funded account, right? So we can see in this case, price taps into this point of interest here that I already had marked up for my students. All right, and we're simply just looking for our entry to take place. All right, so within this region, we can see we have our sweep of liquidity. After the mitigation, we have our change of momentum to the upside here, and then price returns back to what was responsible. So we took our entry here, okay, and then we just looked for price to hit our target. All right, our target was simply based on this high here. Right, now students of mine, you guys know specifically why we look for targets where we do. For everyone else, you guys can just feel free to target highs and lows within the market, right? So we can see that this trade produced 8.42%, right? Absolutely phenomenal. And if you would have held to this supply zone here based on the higher time frame, that is 13.62%. So let's go back to the H1 time frame and let's talk about this. So if you have a $100,000 funded account, if you're the individual that joins the day trading masterclass and you win that $100,000 funded account, everything passed, you get the credentials to it, you get to make your withdrawals, right? That would have produced you around, so let's say you had that funded account, right? This trade would have produced you $13,620. Absolutely phenomenal. Simply by just following the solid strategy that I'm going to give you within the day trading masterclass, understanding why day trading is different from swing trading and actually how to apply the strategy to day trading, and how to become an actual funded trader so you can apply these strategies, these rules on a daily basis within your funded account every single day. So for those of you who took advantage of my gold call yesterday, we had several students pass their funded account challenge simply by just applying the rules. That gold trade peaked around 11.62%, and as you guys know, you only need 10% to pass the funded account challenges. With that being said, this is your boy Mac. I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. If you are someone who wants to become a funded trader, I want you to join me in my day trading masterclass. Click the link in the description, go to mactradingacademy.com, click gain access to the golden ticket day trading masterclass, and I will see you there.